हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हैरी ट्यूटर्स में आपका स्वागत है। जो ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं, हैरी ट्यूटर्स की वीडियो में नए हैं, उनको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियोस को लाइक करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए। पुराने स्टूडेंट्स को भी मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें कि हैरी ट्यूटर्स आपके साथ ग्रो करे। ठीक है, थैंक यू। अब हम जो टॉपिक लेके आए हैं वो एक्सरसाइज 9.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है। तो हमने सॉल्व करना है। इसमें गिवन है कि अगर x अपॉन 3 प्लस 1 कॉमा वाई इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन 3, ये गिवन है, ठीक है, इज़ इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 3 कॉमा 1 अपॉन 3। तो हमें फाइंड द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ x एंड y, वी नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ x एंड y। नाउ ये हमको गिवन है। देखिए, इसमें कन्फ्यूजन की कोई बात नहीं है। अब ये हमारा एक सेट है, ठीक है। ये सपोज़ ये गिवन है कि ऐसे, ठीक है, ए कॉमा बी एक सेट है, तो इज़ इक्वल टू, मतलब एक रिलेशन बोलो। तो ऐसा होता है कि ये जो ए है, ये दिस इज़ इक्वल टू 1 एंड दिस इज़ इक्वल टू 2, ठीक है। ये इक्वल टू 1 होगा और ये इक्वल टू 2 होगा। इट इज़ प्रीटी ईजी। इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें इसको इक्वल 5/3 लेना है एंड वाई इक्वल टू 2/3 वी नीड टू टेक विद 1/3, राइट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। वी नीड टू राइट हेयर x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5/3, right? And sorry, this is plus, sorry, this is minus, don't take it for equal to, minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3. Okay, so what we need to do is we just solve this equation here on the left side a bit. This equal to 5/3 and y minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3. Now here we are having a few options. I mean, it depends upon us how we gonna solve this. We just take it 1 to the other side here and this complete 2/3 minus 2/3 to the right side. Okay, so it will be pretty easier for us to calculate. Okay, so this is 5/3 and this is minus 1. Okay, and here it is 1/3, right side में है, इसको ले जाओ minus 2/3। ये माइनस है तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा और ये प्लस है तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इसके बाद क्या करना है, वी नीड टू टेक द एलसीएम। दिस इज अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज 5 minus 3/3 and this is, here the denominator is same, so it will be like this. So it will be 3/3, which means it will be cancelled. So here we'll get y equal to 1, but here it is pretty long. So ये जो इसको सेपरेट करेंगे, ये 1/3 है तो उधर जाके 3 हो जाएगा, like this. So this will be cancelled. So x will be 2 here and y will be 1. Okay, so this is the solution. Now these are the values of x and y. I hope you got this. Now we're gonna solve second question. Wait a bit. Okay students, now here we are with the second question. The question says there is a set A and it is having 3 elements, and there is set B, it is having these elements. Now they are also 3 if you count them. So we need to find the number of elements in A cross B, means A into B, you can say that. Now what we need to do here, now we need to write these statements, so you please note it down and I'm gonna tell you what to do. Now say A is having, set A is having A, B, C, these 3 sets, and B is having, as stated in the question, 3, 4, 5, right? So now what we need to do, when you will multiply this, A into B is equal to, now you gonna take this A and multiply it with this, first with this, second with this, then third this. Okay, it is A3 1, then A4, then A5. Now completed all 3, then you take this B with all these 3, then C with all these 3. So B3, right, B4 and B5. Then we need to do with C, C3, C4 and C5. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9. So this is, well, not a part of your question. This is just to understand that how we do this. We do this like this: one with all these three, then second with all these three, then third multiplication with all these three, and we write it in the commas like this: a comma 3 3, a comma 4, a comma 5, b comma 3, b comma 4. You can pause the video and note it down, right? This is a system. Now what we need to mention here, now number of elements in set A is 3, number of elements in set B, as you know the question, 3 4 5, there are 3, and number of elements in A into B, we need to write it like this: there are 9 elements. So like this. And this is not the part of the question, this is just to make you understand, right? So your answer is only this one. Let's do the next question now. Okay students, now here we are with the question number 3. Now it is given that G is equal to this 7,8, there are 2 elements here, and H is having 3 elements here, 5, 4, 2. Now we need to find this this relation, or you can say we need to function the multiplication here. So let's begin with, now first of all we're going to write it what is given here. Okay, so we will write given G is equal to 7,8, right, and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, like this. Then what next? Okay, now what we need to do, we need to write here, so G into H is equal to, now how are we going to multiply it? As I told before, take this first element and multiply with all these 3. We need to write it like this: 7 7,5, oh sorry, in the round brackets here, like this also. Okay, then 7 and with 5, then 7 with 4, then 7 with 2. Okay, after completing this we need to come on the 8th one, so 8, 5 and 8, 4, then 8, 2. Okay, now this we have completed G into H. Now H into G, how we will pair it with, we will take this 5, right, take this and put the small bracket here, 5 with 7, okay, then 4 with 7, then 2 with 7, okay, like this. 4 with 7, 2 with 7, then we'll do again with 5 with 8, 5 with 8, and 4 with 8, and 2 with 8. Okay, now this is how we gonna multiply H and G, and this is G cross H. So I hope you have got this, how we gonna multiply it. Now